Okay, welcome back everyone to part 5. In the last video we added the handle here to our coffee cup, and in this video we're going to want to remove the interior material, and then we're going to want to add some fillets here before we change the material of the coffee cup, and then we can look for our mask to entertain our quiz question. So when we want to revolve or shell or cut out the interior part of this thin wall, we're going to come up, and it's the same command. We are actually going to revolve, but in the editing dialog box we're going to remove material. So the first thing we want is a face again. In our original main sketch, you need to make sure the main sketch is viewable. You're going to want to hover and just select that interior part away from where we offset. And after you select that, it will highlight yellow saying it's active, and then I need to give myself a revolve axis. And this is going to be a full revolve about this center axis, and you'll see how it cut this out. We will hide the work planes in a little while, which will make it easier. I mean, you can do it now, hit P. I'll get rid of most of those. Now I'm using this, so it's going to be active for a second. So now I have that revolve completed. I'm going to accept it, and I have my shelled out component. The next thing I'm going to do is want to add some fillets or some rounds to make my coffee cup a little more customized. And the first fillet I want to add is a 12mm fillet down here to the bottom. So on the quick access toolbar, I'm going to select fillet, and for the radius they want it to be 12, and then you can hover and select this bottom part, and that looks pretty good. The next fillet that I want to add is this fillet on the top. This time I'm going to select the fillet ends, and I'm going to select the interior and exterior, so when you bring it to your mouth it's not as sharp. It feels a little smooth. It's a little easier to drink from. And then I'm going to apply my fillet as a 2mm fillet to those components. Once you have that in, you can hit accept. And now we have the basic components of our coffee cup. I can go over here now and hide this main sketch. You can look down and see this path I might want to get rid of. And I have something similar to a decent coffee cup in which to drink from. Now, final thing we want to do here is we want to add an appearance, not the appearance, we want to change the material. So we're going to come down on the feature tree, down to the parts menu. We're going to right click on coffee cup, and we're going to go down to the properties menu. Actually, we're not going to go to properties menu here. Sorry, my fault. We're going to assign a material. Properties menu or for something else we're coming up on. Inside of assigning material, I have none, and I want to select a search option, and I'm going to select porcelain for my component. And from here we can go ahead and take our quiz by selecting our mask properties. Nothing is viewable, but once I go to my feature tree and select the coffee cup, then I will get my mask components that I can use on the quiz. Now if this is grams, I think the quiz is kilograms, you can go back up to the document menu, go down to workspace units, change it from gram to kilogram, and then open up the properties menu again, and you should have something pretty similar for the quiz. All right, and that is our coffee cup using primarily the revolve and sweep command with an angled work plane and some definite skills that we'll use in future drawings. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.